The Córas Iompair Éireann 001 class locomotive was manufactured by Metropolitan-Vickers at their Dukinfield Works in Manchester. The 001 class locomotive was the backbone of mainline passenger and freight train services on the Irish railway network for 40 years, from 1955 until the mid-1990s, when they were replaced by the new 201 class. Initially they were fitted with 8-cylinder 2-stroke, port-controlled Crossley engines. These were a loop scavenge type, which utilized a patented principle that recycled the normally wasted exhaust pressure pulse to boost charge air in the cylinder. They produced 890 kilowatts, 1,200 HP, at 625 RPM and could do 120 kilometers per hour, 75 miles per hour. The original sandboxes, which were used to improve traction with the rail, were removed after a few years. Their Crossley engines proved to be notoriously unreliable from the start. Amongst a plethora of problems were unbalanced engines resulting in vibration-induced fuel pipe and water pipe fractures, cylinder defects, excessive water temperature causing shutdowns. There were also problems with generator and motor flashovers. Similar problems were also encountered on the Crossley-engined Western Australian Government Railways X-Class and British Rail Class 28 locomotives. These problems were tackled between 1968 and 1971 through the progressive re-engineering of the entire class with a 1,650 horsepower, 1,230 kilowatts, 12-cylinder E and D645E engine. A similar process was implemented for the original 201 class. However, this power output stressed the ability of the original cooling and transmission systems, and the engine output was reduced to 1,325 horsepower, 988 kilowatts, for improved reliability. When built, these locomotives were originally numbered A1 to A60, and as locomotives were re-engined, they had the suffix R added to their number. From 1972, the prefix letters were dropped and the locomotives were renumbered 001 to 060. On Thursday, December 5, 1963, locomotive A17 was hauling a passenger train from Westland Row to Westport when it broke down at Mullinga, County Westmeath. Locomotive A42 was sent to its assistance, but collided with the stationary train at a speed of 30 to 40 miles per hour, 48 to 64 kilometers per hour. Both locomotives were damaged, 16 people were injured. 4 A-class locomotives survived into preservation, the details of which are outlined in the table below. The A-class is available as a 4mm scale, O2A, ready-to-run, RTR, model from Irish Railway Models. Announced in October 2018, it is due to be released in 2020. In the past it has been made as a 00 gauge kit by Silver Fox Models.